Okay, let's continue with the collocations exercise. Now we are going to set 3. Still, we are going to handle them the way we have been handling the other previous ones. We are going to get the alternative answers from the ones provided. There are always 4. You pick one which is correct, then fill in the space provided. So basically, we are still continuing with the collocations exercise, and you will pick the way we are picking it initially. You get an answer from the alternatives given, and then you answer. So this is the 33. In this I see 6 questions in. So the first question, which is the 11th one, is it's a dash beautiful part of the world. It's a dash beautiful part of the world. So alternative answers we have sincerely, completely, stunningly, partially. Therefore, sincerely, completely, stunningly, partially. So you pick one which is suitable and then put it in the space provided. Then number 12 is there are 2 mistakes in the text. Find them. There are 2 mistakes in the text. Find them. I was bitterly disappointed that I had failed my driving test again, and my instructor also seemed partially surprised. He extremely believed I was going to pass. So in this we have 2 mistakes, so you will find them. So I want you to find the mistakes in this in the text given. The text is I was bitterly disappointed that I had failed my driving test again, and my instructor also seemed partially surprised. He extremely believed I was going to pass. So you will find the 2 mistakes which are in the text. The text goes, I was bitterly disappointed that I had failed my driving test again, and my instructor also seemed partially surprised. He extremely believed I was going to pass. So you just get the mistakes in that, then give it to us. 13 is it's dash madness. It's dash madness. She thinks at the age of 65 she can become a DJ. It's dash madness. She thinks at the age of 65 she can become a DJ. So in bracket we have utter, we have total, we have real, we have crazed. Utter, total, real, and then crazed. 14. I'm sorry, I will never do it again. It was a moment of dash stupidity. I was drunk. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm sorry, I will never do it again. It was a moment of dash stupidity. I was drunk. I didn't know what I was doing. Alternative answers, we have major, we have sheer, we have huge, we have thorough. Huge, major, sheer, thorough. Then 15. Tap a word, then tap a gap. Tap a word, and then tap a gap. So in this, we have 2 gaps. So what you will do is you will get the right word and place it in the right gap where it is supposed to go. He was the dash outsider, and it was only by dash luck that he won that race. So in this we have 2 gaps to fill, 2 spaces to fill in. And the words given, you will just pick a word and then place it in the gap it is supposed to be in. He was the dash outsider, and it was only by dash luck that he won that race. In the alternative answers, we have pure, we have strong, we have deep, we have utter, we have extreme, we have sincere, we have rank, we have awful. So those are the alternative answers we have. So you pick two right ones amidst amongst those ones, then you put them in the right gaps they are supposed to be in. Pure, strong, deep, utter, extreme, sincere, rank, and then awful. Lastly is we dash enjoyed it. We dash enjoyed it. In the brackets we have enthusiastically, wonderfully, thoroughly, strongly. So you'll pick one of the words which is right and place it there. We dash enjoyed it. Enthusiastically, wonderfully, thoroughly, and then strongly. So basically that is it for the collocations exercise we had for you. Try to pick the right answers in the right answers from the alternatives provided, and then place it in the right gaps it is supposed to go in, or the right gaps it is supposed to be in. So that is it for the exercise. Till next time.